Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best hair rollers that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Tifara Beauty 42-pack 7 inches flexible curling rods. Tifara is a great company well known for providing their clients with excellent products all over the world. Many hair experts like them because their curling rods enable the user to curl the hair in the direction they want, same as electric rollers. Tifara curling rods are easy to use and they don't stick in hair as they are made up of foam. They are easy to use and can be used by a beginner or an expert. This 42-pack is the perfect package for quality, convenience and variety. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Diane by Fromm 42-pack Twist Flex Rods. Diane rollers are among the best from all rollers, for they allow people to set curl according to the way and direction they want. They come in a bag that contains different sizes. For big curls and broad design, you use the big roller, and it's the same case with medium and small curls. Around the world, rollers by Diane are loved and used by a lot of people. It's the second with most reviews on Amazon. Their quality is great as they are made from quality foam, and this allows users to use them many times. All you need to do is roll them in your hair in the direction you curls to be and leave them for some time. The best part about Diane rollers is that you can carry them in your bag and use wherever you want. At number 3, we have the Conair self-grip rollers. What can be better than getting rollers that are pinless and of different sizes? Well, here we have a 31 pieces package that has large and small sizes. The small rollers give bouncy curls while the large ones give loose, fuller curls. Conair self-grip rollers are easy to use, hence best for a quick fix. For styling, dry the hair either naturally or with a blow dryer, then tightly roll the end of the hair and wind towards the scalp and leave for a few minutes. The company has given the rollers comfortable design that allows the hair to be tangle-free. Its price is pocket-friendly and can be used while in trip as it has a very convenient package. At number 2, we have the medium-size self-grip Velcro hair rollers. These are the best rollers for those looking for medium curls. Each pack contains 16 pieces and the strategically placed teeth help in setting and drying hair faster. Thick, natural and rough hair, these are the best rollers to use. Want to set your hair without heating or want to DIY? Velcro hair roller is just perfect. They are pocket-friendly and also easy to carry around. And finally, at number 1, we have the Goody Styling Essentials Hair Roller, Multi-Pack 31 count. Goody is known worldwide as the manufacturers of quality hair styling tools and accessories. For decades they have produced trendy commodities which have helped in designing fabulous hairstyles. Among their products, they have Goody Pin-less rollers. They come in different sizes which help create volume and a touch of curls to those with thick and long hair. For best result, dampen the hair and tightly roll the hair ends and then roll towards the scalp. Use a blow dryer to set and dry and finish with cool air for long-lasting curls. Goody rollers come with a convenient storage case that varies in size. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.